So what we're going to take a look at now is the sales manager's dashboard that they would use to control or to keep up with everything that's going on within their individual sales reps. So the first thing is we need to make sure that the sales manager is actually set up correctly. So to do that, we're going to Settings, General, and we're going to go right here to Departments. We're going to choose the department that they're over. So we'll say Sales, New. I'm going to come down here and choose the manager. So in this case, I'm just using my account. So we're going to go over here to the right. We're going to choose all of the employees that are part of that manager's group, and that's it. And you should have probably already done this anyway, but as long as everything's set up, then we should be good to go. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go over there to Home, and you'll notice a new menu here in the dashboard section called Sales Management. So we're going to go to that. We're going to choose the group that we want to look at. So we're looking at Sales New, and this brings up a list of all of the open topics that we have, who they're currently assigned to, how many calls have been made to them, and I'm just going to scroll down here at the bottom because we've got a little bit more current data down here. And you'll also notice a history button so that we can actually open up and view the correspondence that has been done for that particular call or that particular topic. When the call is scheduled, so this one is scheduled to get called back on 6/18. So obviously this didn't happen because it didn't get rescheduled. So if I wanted to reschedule this particular one for, say, tomorrow, I just select the calendar, choose the date that I want to reschedule them for. I can even reassign it to a different person and then save it, and it'll get scheduled for the next day. So this screen gives me the ability to see everything that's going on with this particular customer, everything that, all of the correspondence and everything that's been tied to this particular opportunity, what the opportunity is, who it's tied to, all of the different, how many calls have been made, who it's scheduled for, when it's scheduled, when they think it's going to close, and just kind of an overview of everything that's going on in the department without having to go and look at each individual person. Now, if the calls aren't scheduled for anybody to call them back, they're still going to show any open topic that is in the system is going to be on this list. And so for those, I can come in and select the person. In this case, it was selected for this person, but I can assign it to a particular sales rep and move it around and deal with it accordingly. So all of the things that are in here are in order from oldest to newest. So the things that they've been the longest behind on, you can move those up to more current. But it kind of gives me a one-stop shop for keeping track of all of my people and making sure that they're all doing their job.